How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River Palomino SolAire. This is going to be their 2430 BHS floor plan. So the BH is going to stand for bunkhouse, and you'll see that as soon as we get on the inside, but I want to check out the exterior first. As you can see, we have a massive pass-through storage area. Looking down at the tires, you have dual axle. Towards the rear of this travel trailer, you're going to have a little bit of extra storage, which is going to be underneath a bunk area. Super nice to have. Underneath your entry door, you can see that we have solid steps, and we're going to walk right up them and start with your bunk area first. So the really cool thing about this bunk area, it's a little bit different than what you're used to be seeing in regular travel trailers. This one can move and groove to however you see fit. They are removable. They are adjustable. You can really do whatever you want with them. Maybe you need to put a pack and play in here. Maybe you just need extra storage. This is perfect for that. If we go through this door here, you're going to find your bathroom. Up against the wall, you've got your shower, as well as some extra towel storage. Skylight up above. Porcelain toilet down below. And then in the corner, you're going to find your mirror, medicine cabinet, and your sink. One slide out in this travel trailer altogether. It's going to consist of a little bit of extra pantry storage, as well as your U-shaped dinette. This dinette does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. And then next to that, you're going to find your oversized 12-volt refrigerator. Across from all of that, you're going to find the rest of your kitchen. So you have a single basin sink, storage up above, plenty of prep space up in here, especially for this size of travel trailer. You've got a 3-burner cooktop, oven down below, microwave up above. And now we are on to your entertainment center. So your entertainment center is a smart TV. You have your sound bar with your fireplace down below. But if you open it up, you have extra storage. So maybe a place to put extra camping supplies. Maybe that's your pantry space. I don't know. What would you do with that area? At the very front of this travel trailer, you're going to find your main bedroom. This is going to be a queen-size bed. You have wardrobes on either side, as well as designated little CPAP areas in the corner there. Nice LED light strip above, and then 2 windows on either side. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Palomino SolAire 2430 BHS. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You can really do whatever you want with them. Maybe you need to put a pack and play in here. Maybe you just need extra storage. This is perfect for that. If we go through this door here, you're going to